So him showing back up, if you move to the next tab, of course, it had a very positive effect on the stock. Alibaba stock is jumping up after this first public appearance. It shot up 7.3% to a 6-week high in pre-market trading. It's 6.35% now, but either way, it's they're on track for a 5th straight gain. So it's obvious that the stock market likes to see Jack Ma if they're thinking about investing in his company. Mm-hmm. They're like, there's the guy.
Yeah, let's put $1 billion in there.
Yeah, let me invest. There's the guy. He's done it before. He's going to do it again. So the word here is that he was actually splitting his time. He was traveling around. I guess he was in Beijing a little bit. He himself actually was in Sanya as well, outside of the event. So taking a load off, laying low, I think that's also where you would lay low in China. Mm-hmm. Now, I don't know. I'll have to visit one. I'll have to visit one. Hey, man. I'm going to have to visit one day and see what this region's all about.